7 ways to make money quick by only investing $1,000. However, all risks aside, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, you still may be able to conjure up an extra $1,000 to put towards your investment portfolio if you're creative. How to invest $1,000 to make money fast. If you're sitting on at least $1,000 and it's scratching an itch in your pocket, consider investing it rather than spending it on something frivolous. One. Play the stock market. Day trading is not for the faint of heart. Two. Invest in a money-making course. While you might not be able to pinpoint an actualized return on investment, there's no money that's better spent. Three. Trade commodities. However, livestock and meat are just one form of commodities. Four. Trade cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are on the rise. While trading them might seem risky, if you hedge your bets here as well, you could limit some fallout from a poorly timed trade. There are plenty of platforms for trading cryptocurrencies as well. 5. Use peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a hot investment strategy these days. While you might not get rich investing in a peer-to-peer lending network, you could definitely make a bit of coin. Which lending platform do you use? Today, there are many to choose from, but the most popular ones include Lending Club, Peerform, and Prosper. Six. Trade options. When it comes to a good investment option, Tom Sosnoff at Tastyworks says, trade small and trade often. What type should you trade? There are loads of vehicles, such as Forex and stocks. The best way to make good money by investing when it comes to options is to jump in around 15 days before corporate earnings are released. What type should you buy? Money calls. 7. Flip real estate contracts. Making money with real estate might seem like a long-term prospect, but it's not. There are ways you can take as little as $500 to $1,000 and use the cash investments to flip real estate contracts to make quick money. How? Use a system like Kent Clothier's Review to first understand how the market works. It'll then provide you with the data and tools to identify vacant homes, distressed sellers, and cash buyers.